What happens when we automate human relationship? At the heart of the last human job are the stories of the teachers, doctors, therapists, and chaplains who have cracked the code of how to achieve relationship magic and the uniquely human characteristics that make their work hard to systematize. Yet how is it we seem to be ending up with therapy bots and virtual nurses anyway? I document the slippery slope from data analytics to AI and the dangers of overload. But I also portray case studies of organizations that are doing it right. At stake is our social health, the mutual relationships that help us to feel seen and that knit us together and that are the subject of the last human job.